Hi guys, so I just got some things in from HSN, so I thought I'd show them because a couple of things are still available, and I know today's the craft day. This is probably right in the middle of some of the shows that are going on there from between 7 and 9 Eastern on HSN, including some of the diamond press items that I've been showing recently. So any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if your purchase items to those links. I do want to let you know the card kits are available, the diamond press ones. I reviewed them like at the very beginning of March. I do have them sitting here with me, but you know, I'm just going to show you guys some items that I got in, but I'll have the link to the original video if you want to check those out in further in depth if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about. But Diamond Press put out some card kits and the slimline ones and then 5x7 set. So I'll have links there again to the video and to the items themselves. Again, today I did this confetti launcher. So funny. So somebody asked if you can reset it. I mean, you can't in the way that, you know, this flap here, but I just collected the little, you know, stuff that was here and I put it back on here. And I guess if you really wanted to, if it was like probably a kid, you know, or somebody you gave it to that wants to play with it, you can definitely do that and let it go and let it fly back at you if that's something you want to do. But I just thought it was funny. Another mention, some people had mentioned the confetti thing, and you know, these confettis are so big. There's a nice size. It's pretty easy to clean up. I suppose if you want to use your own maybe sequins or something else like that, it's a different story. And you know, if you have someone who has pets and stuff, maybe you don't want to put sequins in case it gets somewhere a little animal or something's gonna eat, right? We don't want that. But the paper thing, I think, is the way to go. All right, so, oh, yes, so the items I just got in. So one of them I actually came in the other day, and it's an auto ship, I believe, so it's not something you can grab now. I do know that HSN is having the Anna Griffin Wildflowers Finishing School auto ship is in stock. It's not an auto ship, but like it used to be on auto ship. And the price is pretty much the same as we got on auto ship. So if it's something you wanted to get and you didn't get it last time around, you can pick it up now by itself. I think the China cabinet's back. The Salon or Art Nouveau one, so I'll have links for those guys if you want to check them out. But this is, I was looking forward to this because I was like, okay, how cute, you know, because I wanted the basket. I've been wanting the basket. I think they had it with a different configuration. Maybe I'm thinking something else before, because I remember seeing little ants. But the sunflower, so this is the Stamps of Life, and I was curious about that because I thought, okay, so it must go together, but I mean, you can put this with this, I guess, if you wanted to, but look how big this is. So you can make your own card just with this as a base, right? Or however you want to do it. So the Sunflower Fold It die set, again, with the fold-its that they brought in, I had a video for you guys, just a heads up, was the Newport Birdhouse, which is definitely on order, super cute. So it's one big die set, where this one has like these two individual ones. Kind of interesting. The Picnic Basket Fold-It die set, and this is so cute. This one sells out pretty much all the time. I remember seeing it before, but that's why I'm like, am I tripping? Or maybe they had different configuration before. So super cute. And there's ideas here to do both of them, you know. So really, really adorable sets. So yeah, just a lot of different little ideas. This is adorable. So I'm really happy to have that one. I knew I didn't open this box before I came over, but I knew I was expecting these things, so hopefully it's what I'm thinking it is and not something else when I end up opening it. Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, so this is a new set. No, this is auto ship too. I think these are both auto ship. Let's see. This might all be auto ship other than that one. And then, of course, I placed my own orders for the LDRS Tiki set and some other different things. So I'll have the links for all those things if you're interested. Okay, yeah. Oh, no wonder. I was like, Lily pop out. And I'm like, did I do a flowers pop out from... It's these dies, the ones that make your pop out card, right? So this goes in the middle of your card. And then this pretty thing. So I will definitely review this very soon. But it's just this part. And that's all it is, and then you decorate however you like. So yeah, when I saw the description for it, I didn't know what they were talking about, but now that makes sense. And this is the Diamond Press Family and Friends for March of 2021 auto ship, and I think this is the Marquise one. Yes, so this is the last one from the Marquise, you guys. I know I love getting this every couple months, but this is it. So this one, a little spring inspired, just like the last set. It was called Inspirations, and that one really seemed very springy to me. So anyhow, well, I'll usually unbox these, but I'll just open this up. So, and you might ask how to get this, unless, you know, HSN brings back a few of them, or maybe Diamond Press sometimes will bring them to their site. It's not something you can get in at this moment, but it does come with the dies on its own magnetic mat, the little folder. It's usually a couple of stamp sets that are really pretty with Happy Mother's Day. Very Easter, springy kind of life is so much better with you in it. And I did say Easter, but I don't think it says Easter on here. But you know what I mean. Spring, I guess is the word. Look at that. Love. And then your folder and some info. Really cute. What else? I'm trying to think of what else I saw on this site. Because I know a lot of times people come back and say, oh, and this is there, and this is there. I'm like, well, yeah, no, I know, and I added those links already, or however. But, I mean, obviously they brought out a few things. I know Anna has some stuff. Let me open this up. What is this? I think this is an Anna Griffin. Yeah, oh yes, the basket pop-up. I think this might be not available anymore, but if it is, I'll have the links for it. This is the Anna Griffin basket pop-up card making kit. It feels very substantial. It looks very substantial. I love it. It has kind of a substantial price, so I would expect that it's going to be a nice set. But let's open that up. And again, I have the actual basket dies. They're still available. I do have a video on it. You're going to decorate the inside of it. And, you know, a lot of it does get covered like this. You know, you can't see behind it. But you got to make it kind of full. So, you know, this is one of those ones where you just have to go for it. And it comes with dimensional adhesive. Like I said, I think this is sold out. But it comes with the baskets already cut with the little plates and all that. With the little pieces that you need to pop it open. And then lots of fun, beautiful, if friends were flowers, I would always pick you. And all these beautiful little sentiments. So I will definitely do a follow-up video with these. Oh, I wanted to see this. These card bases open long ways. I don't know if you can see what I'm saying. Like, it opens this way, not on the side. Love that. That's different. I like that. And then the little label, so you can actually write something, a little sentiment or whatever it is that you want to write. And that's always what's lacking in a lot of cards, a lot of pop-up or a lot of those kind of cards, right? It's hard to put something in there. Really cool. So I will try these out very soon for y'all. Again, I hope you're having a good crafty night. I know there's a lot going on. The other thing would be, you know, Tonic with their new color trend, which is really gorgeous. I know a lot of people are asking me different questions about the tangerine. I will try to do a follow-up video with frequently asked questions because I get a lot of the same types of questions, so I will definitely do that. I know the machine sells out, so I want to do it pretty quickly. That way you can make up your mind. And that's not to give someone pressure, because I'm not saying, oh, you have to do it soon, you know, because I would not like that. But ever since I started kind of paying attention more and more online to Tonic, it has not been in stock, and that's been since at least last May. April, May. So, I don't know if it, you know, with all everything that's going on with restrictions and COVID, and, you know, they put in their orders and then they have to wait and they come in and all that. So, I'm sure that all played into why it took a while to get back in stock anywhere. So they are available on Tonic Studios website, the Tangerine. It is available on Craft Stash, but for some reason it's $30 more on Craft Stash, which I thought was weird. It doesn't come with dies or anything else. It's still the basic machine, but it's more expensive. And that's not typical of Craft Stash, so I thought that was kind of weird. But, you know, if it sells out on Tonic, then you still have at least one other outlet. I think people said they saw it on Create and Craft, which is a company based in the UK, so you can check that out. But I'll have the links to the ones that I normally work with and that I can, you know, pretty much have a good idea that they're going to have good customer service. I'm not saying Create Craft doesn't, but I've never ordered anything from them, so I don't know. But, yeah, so guys, have a great night. I'll have the links in the description box again for the card kits, for the confetti launcher, the items that I picked up that I'm waiting for because I just ordered them yesterday and today, and anything else that seems pertinent. What else? I feel like there's something else I might be missing. I guess not. Well, the Wednesday deals for Tonic are also on there, along with the new bundles for the new color trend. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.